Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Christmas ornaments with Cricut. First, select your ornament blank, such as a 2-inch acrylic disc or a 3-inch wooden shape. Next, choose a festive design from Cricut Design Space or upload your own unique creation. Remember to size your design perfectly for your chosen blank. You can even layer 2 or 3 different colors of vinyl for a stunning multi-dimensional effect. This initial planning ensures a smooth crafting process. Once your design is ready, it is time to cut your materials. Carefully place your vinyl onto a clean, standard grip Cricut cutting mat, ensuring it is smooth. Load the mat into your Cricut machine and select the appropriate material setting in Design Space. A sharp, fine point blade is crucial for clean, crisp cuts. If you are using a new material, consider a small test cut first to confirm your settings. This step is vital for a perfect outcome. Now for the satisfying part, weeding and applying your design. Use a weeding tool to carefully remove all the excess vinyl from around your cut design. Next, apply transfer tape over your weeded design, pressing firmly with a scraper tool to ensure adhesion. Slowly peel the transfer tape, making sure the entire design lifts with it. Finally, position your design onto your ornament blank and smooth it down, working from the center outwards. With your design applied, it is time for the finishing touches. Gently peel away the transfer tape, leaving your beautiful vinyl design perfectly adhered to the ornament. Now, get creative. Add embellishments like a festive ribbon, a touch of glitter, or even some hand-painted details. For added durability, consider applying a clear sealant. Your unique handmade Cricut Christmas ornaments are now ready to be displayed on your tree or given as thoughtful gifts. Enjoy your creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.